What's going on, everybody? We are cooking some backstrap tonight. All right, I got AK. She's gonna help me with this project tonight. There she is. We're gonna get it all cooked up. We're gonna show y'all the process of how we do it.
We're cooking some backstrap tonight with cream cheese, jalapenos, and wrapped in bacon. Oh, it's a big piece.
It's 2 pieces.
Okay, we're marinating with this here Moore's marinade.
Pour you enough in there to cover it all.
That.
Yeah, that's good.
Now we wait.
I'm gonna put some charcoal in and get this grill going. Put some of these fire starters in there. Fire starter. These little bricks don't light up as well. See if we can get them going good now. We'll put the grate back on. Let it cook all that other seasoning off and be ready to go. All right, we got our backstrap, got our bacon, cream cheese, and we got our sweet heat jalapenos. Let's get it all put together now. And our toothpicks, we got toothpicks. The backstrap out now. Get all these little pieces of backstrap out. What you cooking over there? Thought we was gonna boil some shrimp. We're gonna get Kelly on film boiling shrimp here in just a minute. We're gonna go live when we get Kelly on there. Alright, we got several pieces of backstrap ready to go. Got them all out. Put that right there off to the side. I guess we can use one piece for a whole piece. That's what we'll do. Put us a few jalapenos on there. Get us some cream cheese out. Cream cheese. And now some bacon. Ooh, that bacon looks good. Get us some bacon. Move our piece of backstrap over. I may use that. Fold it over. And then we're gonna start wrapping. Oh, that looks good right there. Put a toothpick through it. Set it over to the side. Ready to go. There's a few jalapenos in there. Some cream cheese. Right in the middle. Fold it over. Razzie, what you doing, girl? Wrap it up. And we'll put a toothpick through it. We may put 2 on this one. This is a big piece. Got all the backstrap wrapped up. Now we just wait on the grill to get ready. Time to put them on the grill now. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, buddy. Fire's a little bit hotter than I wanted it. I'm gonna put them out on the outside edges. A little bit too hot. But it'll be alright. We'll just keep an eye on them. These gonna be good. Close it down. It ain't gonna take them long to cook on here. Let's see what we're working with. They ought to be done by now. Oh yeah. I think they're ready. Let's get them off. There they go. Taste tester. Oh yeah. This one's in my mouth. Get the toothpicks out for sure. Good? Oh yeah. Well, you approve?
Oh yeah.